Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Thank you for clicking on my video. So you can tell by the title, I could not wait for this beautiful palette to come in, the Vault by Jaclyn Hill with Morphe. I am absolutely excited to use this. I have been seeing other videos on some of the other YouTubers using it and swatching them and doing tutorials, reviews, and all that good stuff. And honestly, you guys, I was on the website. One of the first ones on there, and I kept refreshing the page. Oh my gosh, like I refreshed the page like so many second times, and around like 7:58 in the morning, it just popped up. All right, let's go. Like I started ordering my Vault. But anyways, without further ado, I want to show you these palettes. Look how beautiful this box looks, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, like I absolutely love it. And it has this to where you can pull these out. I mean, I guess if it didn't have it, you could just do this, but it's pretty neat. And all four of them, there's Dark Magic, Armed and Gorgeous, Blind Blonde. What? Bling Boss. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know how, what? Okay, Bling Boss and Ring the Alarm. I am forever gonna call that Blind Boss because that's not what it says. It says Bling Boss. But anyways, such a beautiful box, you guys. Like it's so awesome. I love it. And this is what they look like. They're so amazing. They're gorgeous. And this one is Ring the Alarm. I'm trying to take this off. And look at that, you guys. Like, that is gorgeous. All these colors are my colors, you guys. This is the kind of colors I use all the time. Out of all of the other palettes that I have in here, yeah. So, and then this one is Bling Boss. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna laugh at that forever. Which is these colors right here. They are gorgeous, you guys. I'm excited to use this one actually. So there's that one. The next one is Armed and Gorgeous. These are more of like the green, orangey type of colors, which are amazing as well. These are so pretty. They're gorgeous. And last but not least, Dark Magic, which I'm actually excited for this one too, especially during the holidays and the winter. I mean, it doesn't really matter if I like summer, winter, fall, whatever it is. I'm always doing crazy makeup, whether, like I said, if it's fall or winter, whatever it is. Like I do every kinds of looks at any given time of whenever I feel like it. Yeah. But anyways, let's get into this tutorial. All right, you guys, eyebrows are done and cleaned and everything. And what I used to fill them in is the Chela Tantalizing Eyebrow Cream, which is this one right here. This I got in one of, I think, last month's BoxyCharm. I was trying to like remember. I use this to fill them in. And then I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. This is amazing just to keep those little flyaways going and leave them, have them stay where they need to stay. Have them be where they need to be. And to sculpt them and just clean them up, I used to use a concealer, but I switched to the Makeup Forever HD Ultra HD Foundation in the shade 123 Y365 or Y365. Long story short, this color is not my color anymore. I'm too dark now. And this is too light for me, so this just helps. This really works for me when I clean up my eyebrows because I just don't use the concealer I used to use because they discontinued. Yes, they don't have it anymore. So, and the brushes that I used to clean them up is these two right here. Not this one. This one's usually with powder, but I didn't use powder. So this one's just a Morphe brush, and I just kind of help it like blend out. And Morphe M432 to clean them up. And you guys, I totally forgot to prep my eyes. Like I was gonna apply the shadow without, I was like, okay, my lids feel really weird. So I forgot to put my base, which is MAC's Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Pink Pot, which is this one here. With these long nails, you guys, like sometimes, like I can do anything, to be honest, like, but sometimes there's certain things that I cannot do. Like this. Usually I use my fingers when I don't have nails on, but oh, I'm gonna go in with the concealer brush, F75 by Sigma, which is this one right here. And I'm kind of hoping my Okay, you guys, so right after I pack it on, I'm gonna go in with Morphe's. This is just it came in like the set. It's just a brush, doesn't really have like a number or what it is for. And I usually use this also to blend out when I sculpt my brows and I just clean them up to make them look like the way they look now. But also I use this to blend out the soft ochre on my eye. Just because my nail gets in the way. All right, you guys, so now that's done. I'm gonna go in with, this is a Sigma brush, and you know what? I've used this so much that it doesn't even, like, you can't even see what the number is or anything. It's an E35, yeah, E35 tapered blending brush. So I'm gonna use that, and then, like I said, going into Dark Magic, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I think that says shh, so hopefully I'm saying that right. Okay, I'm liking this. So first I pack on and then I blend. Hopefully you guys can see. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with Sigma's Small Taper Blending Brush E45. Looks like this, and I'm gonna go in with Inside Job, which is this green, beautiful color right here. What I'm gonna do is just kind of pack it in the outer corners and also in the middle. I feel like I'm grabbing this like a pencil, but that's okay. I'm gonna go back and blend that out. And then you go back. Okay, once that's blended, I'm gonna go with Armed Gorgeous, which is another palette in there, and I'm gonna go in with Coin, which is this beautiful gold. And because of my nail, I guess nothing's impossible, huh? I mean, you can put as much as you want just because I'm going to blend it out. All right. There's one thing that I've learned about Jaclyn Hill when she does her makeup and everything else. Use your fingers. Fingers are, I honestly would never use my fingers until I saw her and I'm like, I would refuse to use my fingers. And now, she was right the whole time. I'm gonna go in with Pretty Vulgar's eyeliner, the Ink 01 Blacklist Gel Liner. And the brush that I'm gonna use is just a Morphe eyeliner brush. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and finished my eyeliner and put on my lashes off camera just because Just because it does take forever. And these are brand new lashes, you guys. I got these on Amazon, and they're by Lagos. I think they're called Lagos, Lasgoos. As you can tell, these are the pairs that I'm wearing, and man, they were kind of tough to take out. I'm not gonna lie, they were kind of tough to take out. Next, you guys, I'm gonna go in with Kat Von D's Locket in the shade Medium 57 Warm with my Sonia Kashuk foundation brush. I'm gonna go with Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium. This, you guys, maybe, hopefully it's just not me. Like, it makes a total mess. Like, and then now, like, I've learned to just use whatever's on the bottle. First, because it just, I don't know why, it gets all over the place. And as you can see, I'm only doing one side first. That's just a habit of mine. I don't know why. Blend out my concealer. I used e.l.f.'s Ultimate Blending Brush. I used to use a beauty blender, but it's been a while. Now to set my concealer, I'm gonna go in with Laura Mercier's translucent powder, and going in with the brush Morphe M437, and going in to set it. I hardly ever bake. It's rare when I do. Baby. Next, you guys, I'm gonna go in with Cargo's waterproof resistant bronzer. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. I think it's the cutest thing ever. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go in with Morphe's brush. It's more of like a contouring brush. Just gonna go in there. And I'm gonna go in with Sonia Kashuk's number 24 brush. This is a brush that I use to blend out my bronzer. Put some a little bit up there. I think this is the cutest thing. I love it. That's away. Oh. For blush, you guys, I'm going to use Physicians Formula. This is more of a multi-purpose. It's Shimmer Strips by Physicians Formula. It's custom bronzer, blush, eyeshadow in the shade Riviera Strip. That's what it looks like. Then I'm going to go in with Perfusion's powder brush. My hairs are just driving me crazy. Bit of a blush feel, but not really. Every time I put it on, I feel like it's a highlighter. So after I'm done with this, I go in with Tarte's Concept. It's a blush. This is what it looks like. And I just kind of go in there a little bit, and that way it just adds some color. Now, using the brush, a Luxie 522 tapered highlighting brush. This I got in a BoxyCharm, and going with Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. I don't know, Amerzy? I think that's what it says. I'll tell you say it. Yeah, and going in there. And just applying it. It's on my nose. I didn't even look, I don't know what I was doing there. Now going back with Dark Magic, I'm going to go in with the transition color that we used at the beginning, which is Shh. I hope I'm saying it right. And then the brush I'm going to use is, it's Sigma's, it's a pencil E30, but I honestly like to use this also as applying, it's all pointy to where I can apply any kind of color under my lash line. That way it doesn't look too crazy. And it's like a more thinner instead of it looking at like a huge like smoky eye or anything like that. Now going in with Armed Gorgeous, I had to like look at the name, and I'm gonna go in with VIP, which is this color right here. And then the brush I'm gonna be using, because I'm gonna apply this color on my brow bone, is Sonia Kashuk's number 32, and it's just kind of a flat pointy brush. And if you see that the color is going kind of over your shadow, go in with Coin. And for this eye, I'm gonna use the brush and kind of go over it. There you go, that's the kind of color I was kind of going for, but I just... Now for my lashes, bottom lashes, I'm gonna use Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara by Wander Beauty. For my top ones, I'm gonna go with Double Decker's Butter London Double Decker. Yeah. Put some on my lash. There's a couple friends of mine that don't put mascara on their lashes. But next, you guys, for the lips, I'm gonna go in with Sonia Kashuk's Nude Natural 01 lip liner and kind of outline it a little. And then going with BH Cosmetics lip stain. It's Liquid Linen in the shade Evelyn. And that is it for the look, you guys. This is a look that I didn't even know what I was gonna do. I just knew that I was gonna use one of the Vault Jaclyn Hill's Morphe palette, and well, palettes, because I used two. I was only gonna use one, which is Dark Magic, but I ended up using Dark Magic and which is the other one? Armed and Gorgeous. I love all four, and I will be making more with the other two, but this is what I came up with these. I have been loving green, you guys. Like green, you know, it's not my favorite color, but obviously for my eyes, I don't wear green much at all ever, but when it comes to my eyes, I use any kind of color that I have in front of me. And honestly, like, I am loving these green and gold, but I love these colors, you guys, as far as how they look on me. And yeah, but yeah, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I do apologize if it was long. I always, when I'm editing, I try to cut pieces and pieces, and bear with me, guys. I am learning how to edit and all this good stuff, and there's times where I'm like, okay, this isn't right. I have to do it all over. I've actually re-edited, and I want to say that because I've done it like maybe 3 or 4 times on a certain video where I have the original saved, I edit halfway, and I'm like, I don't like it. And instead of going undo and back and all that good stuff to undo everything that I've done, I just take it out, put the new one, put another one back in, the original, and do everything, which sometimes it's a pain, but sometimes I have to do it. That way I know what I'm doing and I learn how to edit. So thank you so much for bearing with me, because I will get better from here. I can't get any worse, guys. Like, I can get better. So like this video, you guys, comment, subscribe, hit that subscription button, hit that little bell on side of it. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload more videos. But yes, thank you so much. I love you guys, and I enjoy making these videos for you guys as much as I enjoy doing it. Also, because I love makeup. Makeup is my passion. I've been doing it for the last 9-10 years. So and I this year barely decided to do a YouTube video or a YouTube channel. So I do have Instagram, I have Twitter, you guys, it's Jennilin. I'll put that right here. That way you guys can go follow me. I am doing giveaways, you guys. Every 100 that I hit on Instagram of followers, I am doing giveaways. And once we hit 1,000, I am doing not a humongous giveaway, but it's gonna have a couple things rather than 1 or 2 things in the giveaway. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and hopefully we hit those couple hundreds until we get to 1,000 followers. So but like I said, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy this look, and I will see you soon. Bye.